Have you ever wondered, or have you ever had any trouble working out this binomial expression using the binomial theorem or using the binomial series? Well, welcome to this channel, and let me show you how. Expanding a binomial expression 1 plus x power n using binomial theorem is given by 1 plus xn plus n into n minus 1 divided by factorial 2 times x squared, and then add n into n minus 1 n minus 2 divided by factorial 3 times x power 3, and so on. Now, expanding 1 plus x power 5, where n is 5, the value becomes, now we shall have 1 plus 5x, and then add 5 into 5 minus 1 divided by factorial 2 times x squared, add to 5 into 5 subtract 1, 5 subtract 2 divided by factorial 3 times x power 3, and so on. And simplifying, we shall have 1 plus 5x plus, now 5 into 5 minus 4, that is the same as 5 times 4, divided by 2 factorial gives us a value of 20 divided by 2 is 10, so we have 10x squared. Add 2, when you simplify this is the same as 5 into 4 into 3, and then that one divided by factorial 3 is 3 times 2 times 1. You shall get a value of, here is 20, this is 60 divided by 6, it also gives you 10, and then times x power 3, and so on. Now, this equation here, we are going to use it to find the value of 1.002 power 5. First of all, to get the value of this, we rewrite 1.002 power 5 in the form of 1 plus x power n. Alright, now writing this equation in the form 1 plus x power n, we take 1.002 and then equate it to, so 1.002 power 5 equate it to 1 plus x power n. Now we already know that the value of n is 5, so we can also try and remember the rules of indices, because we have here 1.002 raised to power 5 equals to 1 plus x raised to power n. Alright, but n is 5, so it means 1.002 raised to power 5 is equals to 1 plus x raised to power 5. Now, from the rules of indices, if you are given or if you have a value like a power n equals b power n, then that means that a is equals to b, because the powers are the same. So it means that 1.002 is equals to 1 plus x, from which x equals 1.002 subtract 1. and this means that the value of x is 0.002. That means if you subtract 1 from both sides of the equal, therefore 1.002 raised power 5 is the same as 1 plus 0.002 raised to power 5. And substituting for x equals to 0.002, because we found here that our x is 0.002, in our equation, it means that 1.002 raised to power 5 should be equal to 1 plus 5x, but our x is 0.002, and then plus 10x squared, where we shall have 0.002 squared, and then add to 10 into x power 3, that is 0.002 raised to power 3, and so on. Simplifying, we shall have 1 add to 0.01, because 5 times 0.002, that gives you 0.01, and then add to 0.00004, that is if you simplify 10 into 0.002 squared, and then add 10 into 0.002 raised power 3, that will give you a value of 0.0000008, and so on. And if you add all these values, you shall get a value of 1.01004,008. All right, and this is approximately equal to 1.01 when you round off to 2 decimal places, and this gives us the value of 1.002 raised to power 5. Now, if you use a calculator directly, the value of 1.002 power 5 is so a calculator will give us 1.01004,008, which is not very far. In fact, it is exactly the same value we got here. Now, this is how you use the binomial series to work out such kind of problem.